Ladies and gentlemen, it's so sad to hear of what has been happening in Jamaica. My prayers are with Jamaica. I'd love for all of us to pray for Jamaica so that they can gain their stability soon. Now, for those who lost their properties, my condolences. To those who lost their loved ones, my condolences. And may the Almighty God watch over Jamaica. Now, back to our video. In today's video, it's all about this ungrateful tourist who visited Jamaica and was unable to leave due to safety measures and because of the Hurricane Melissa. Now, this ungrateful tourist chose to make a video showing how ungrateful she has been. I mean, people are really having a lot of priorities during these difficult times. But for her, she is more concerned about her comfortability. We are having a lot of these ups and downs. People trying to look for their loved ones. People trying to make sure that they are safe. People trying to make sure that everybody is safe. But this is what she had to say. So guys, watch this video up to the end and then I'll be back with a few comments.
Okay, welcome to my hurricane series now because everybody wants to know what's happening and what we're gonna do. Okay, nothing but ride out this storm, but this is what they gave us in our snack ration meal to go boxes at this hotel, all-inclusive resort. Okay, this is a lunch box that they gave us. This has you know, what is this? What is this? Dinner.
What's that, brother?
Dinner or dessert, you know it. Okay, but at least they gave us salt and pepper packets. I mean, I'm guessing. Oh, a fruit cocktail. That's probably gonna go off. You know, another.
That's great.
Another one. What is that? Okay, thank you. This is breakfast. Another breakfast one. I guess a little muffin. Hey, what can I say? This is my last box, guys. Peas and carrots, 2 hash browns, 2 boiled eggs, and some bacon that they probably scrapped off the breakfast this morning. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I almost forgot my cereals. Snacks. So, Pringles. Raisin Bran, because gotta get your fiber. Some orange juice. I got my milk for my cereal with no bowl. A granola bar. I'm actually pretty pleased with the snacks more than the food, so I guess I'll be surviving off of that for the next 2 days. And some Oreos. We're in the match, riding out this hurricane. Oh, and before I forget, we have no microwave in our room, but we've been given food to warm up. I guess we're supposed to eat it cold, but we don't have no microwave in our room. So, I don't know. Hold up, my husband's a bit more disappointed. Let's see what his got.
This one is dinner.
I guess that's a side salad.
This one. Let's do this. Let's get a little.
Ooh.
I'll probably eat this.
Dessert? A little roll?
Little roll.
Dinner roll? Okay. Oh, that's lunch. That's lunch. Wow. Beef and rice?
Yep.
Okay. Oh. I think that may be chicken. Chicken and beef.
Maybe.
With some cabbage. All right.
Box is all soggy.
Box is all soggy because the cardboard.
Another.
Save the ocean. Yes.
Another
little side salad. Dessert. Oh, a little steak and chicken and some cabbage and ooh, oh, that's mashed potato. The gray stuff is mashed potato. dessert, breakfast delights, I guess, and breakfast. That is the star of the show. The breakfast is the star of the show, guys. I just want to let you know. So may God be with us. We'll keep you updated as long as we have Wi-Fi and electricity. And yeah, we're gonna ride out the storm.
Once again, welcome back. And it's so sad to see that such people, such ungrateful people, they don't really care about humanity anymore. People are busy worried about the catastrophe. But somebody is out there worrying about how their food was packaged, what food they were presented to them, the condition of their restaurant. I mean, they should really respect and appreciate Jamaicans and the owner of that restaurant for doing everything they can to make sure that these people had a meal, to make sure that these people had a place to cover themselves, and that's just shelter. Oh God. What's happening, guys? What's happening with the people? Why are people so much ungrateful? I mean, people are losing lives, people are losing properties, but you are busy here telling us how unsatisfied or rather dissatisfied you are with the restaurant services. You are not the only person in that restaurant. And that was just not among one of the normal visits, because we've seen that Jamaica is really going through a tough time. That country needs us. They need us to pray for them. They need us to give any help we can. They need us to extend a helping hand. But you're there making videos expressing your dissatisfaction on whatever thing you are provided. You can't appreciate the fact that you are alive. You can't appreciate the fact that you had something to eat. There are people who didn't have that food to eat. People lost their shelters. But they are grateful for life. But here you are only an... Oh God. This is just unbelievable, man. It's totally unbelievable. So to my viewers, you don't know how much joy it will bring to me to hear you say that you're safe, your family is safe. Engage me in the comment section. Tell me how the condition is in Jamaica. We've seen people faking videos just because of views. But I'd really love to hear from my viewers. Take your time. Just tell me if you're okay or not. Engage me in the comment section. So guys, I'd love to play for you a videos of how Jamaicans responded to this Samora woman. I'd love to play for you that video of how people responded to this lady, to this ungrateful tourist who visited Jamaica. People have said that she should never ever visit Jamaica again. So watch this video up to the end and then engage me in the comment section. Now my prayers goes to my beautiful viewers from the Caribbeans, from Jamaica. For those who have been affected by these Hurricane Melissa, my condolences. My prayers are with you. May Almighty God watch over you. So guys, watch this video up to the end.
So I saw this video this morning and I've been trying to keep off social media because the storm is stressing me out. I'm not going to lie, it's stressing me out and it's making me very anxious, right? But I saw this video and something in my spirit just upset me. It upset me. So I put in your headphones because this is not a little short video. This is a video where you put in your headphones and listen to your friend voice note type of video, right? So she's complaining, or maybe not complaining, but saying that this is the food that she's getting at the hotel, all-inclusive hotel, right? I understand it is difficult to be away from your family and friends during this state of emergency, and I understand you're in a strange country, but I understand you need to also have empathy, right? Because you're at an all-inclusive hotel and many of the workers have to leave their house, even if they can't even leave their house, because some places have landslides already and have flooding already, so they can't even leave them house to come and cook you a meal. And I see people in the comments talking about how, oh, we know it's hurricane season. We never seen nothing like this yet since we're born. We never yet have a category 5 that moves so slow that it's been like a drawn out 5 days, 7 days that this hurricane is going to be. We've never seen anything like this since we were born. We need to understand that people are people, and people have family and friends and a house of their own, right? Yes, it is very frustrating that you may not get as much food as you expected because they paid a certain amount of money. But you have to also understand food right now is being rationed in this country. You know, see what happened with the bread? Nobody can get no bread. Because people take up 5, 6, 7, 10 bread. The bread got spoiled? We don't know. But food is being rationed. People have I had to go stock up on water because them say expect water being gone for 3 to 5 days. So you want to see me? I am my father's strongest son right now. May I pick up everything, fill up every drum, everything that can hold water is storing water right now. So I say this to say, right? Just have empathy for the people of this country. It is serious times. We don't know what's going to happen after this storm. We don't know what's going to be during this storm. Everybody just sitting and waiting like sitting ducks. What you can do probably right now is pray. Because I advise everybody to pray right now. Just pray. Sit down and pray. Because my father just run round the house with a bottle of oil a while ago, run outside the house, go cover the car them with the oil. So I advise everybody right now to pray. That's all we can do at this now. Pray. And another thing, I am also a healthcare worker, so conveniently, or maybe not conveniently, I applied for leave 2 months in advance, and I'm currently on leave right now. But you see, when my leave ends, which is soon, I will be driving after the storm to go to work. There are people who are at the hospital currently right now during the storm with not their family, with not their friends, not them dog or them puss at the hospital right now, providing care for everybody. And also, you need to remember the social cases that are also there, because those people don't have family or friends carrying any food for or anything for them also. So when this storm is ending, just remember the social cases also. Right.
So guys, honestly, I have nothing to say. I feel like I've said a lot regarding this video on this ungrateful woman. So what I'd love to say is that my prayers goes to my Caribbean friends, families. May you keep safe, please. Remember to pray to God to keep you safe and your loved ones, and also for this beautiful country of Jamaica. I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions. Remember, if you've come across my videos for the first time, my channel for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button on my channel. Don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up. So until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.